Testing, testing, 1, 2.
Testing, 1, 2.
Testing, testing, 1, 2.
How do I say that?
Okay. What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan, and what's your name?
Ray Rucker.
What's your name?
Ray Rucker.
What's your name?
Ray Rucker!
That's right, and you're watching Ryan and Rae make ice cream. And happy Easter! It's Easter week, is that right? For Easter week, we are going to make a very special Easter flavor. We are going to make Cadbury Eggs ice cream.
Yeah.
Yeah, have you ever had Cadbury eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah? We are going to put them into the base, but it's going to be a little bit of a different process than we've done in the past. We are going to boil them into the milk and the cream. That way, the entire ice cream just tastes like one big Cadbury egg. Anything you want to say to your friends before we get started?
Bye-bye.
How about let's go?
Listen. This is for ice cream.
I know it's a little bit different. So for this time, instead of our typical KitchenAid bowl, we have
A noodle pot. A dinner pot.
we have, what is it called?
Dinner pot.
A dinner pot? Yeah, we'll call it a dinner pot. We are going to, oh, what's up, Biggie? Got Biggie in the house too, he's ready. Yeah, this isn't for you though. Yeah, sorry, bud. We are going to start off with 1 cup of whole milk. How's that sound? Cool. 1 cup of whole milk. All right, you want to pour that in? Oh. There we go. Ray's gonna drink it as always.
I need cream now.
Yeah, we do need cream now. So now we will do.
I need to open it.
You wanna open it? Okay. So now we'll do 2 cups of cream. There we go. All right. So now this is actually already 2 cups. So you wanna just pour this right into here?
I'm
Oh,
drinking it.
oh no. Oh, jeez. Okay.
I'm drinking it.
How is it? That's good. You have to clean your face a little bit? No? Oh, no thanks.
Dad, there's burger on there.
Yeah, these are booger wipes.
I'm a bite.
So now we have our whole milk and we've got our cream right into the base. But
Wait.
now we need to add a couple other ingredients. Are you ready?
This.
Yes.
I'm
So
a bite.
we have our Cadbury egg creams.
I'm gonna open it.
Oh, okay. Ray's gonna open it. And Ray's never had one of these before. So I bought an extra one just so we can test it out.
I'm gonna try it.
You like it? Oh! No, it's gonna be the one that we eat. Or not. For our at-home ice cream, we're gonna use 6 of these Cadbury egg creams. Why? I don't know. 6 seems like a good number.
I want one more now.
You want one more? Well, you already had that one.
You first. I need to hold it. It is my first.
Okay. While you do that, I'm gonna open up a couple others so we can put it.
I need to eat that one too.
Well, we can't eat them all
Why?
because that would be very irresponsible of me. Can I try that one? Oh. 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 I was gonna see if I can have some, but that's okay. I think it's safe to say she likes it. All right, so Rae ate full Cadbury egg. I had a tiny bit, so now we're just gonna put the rest of the Cadbury eggs in.
Maybe I don't eat that one.
Yeah, we don't want to eat this one.
I have the other one right now.
Yeah, for sure. How many's in there?
Some more.
You want to put some more?
Yeah.
Okay. This is 4.
Mhm.
Got 5. Last but not least,
One more.
1 more. 6. Should we count them?
Yeah.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So now that we have our Cadbury eggs here, and we have our Cadbury eggs, our milk, and our cream, we need to take them to the stovetop so we can boil it down. How's that sound?
I want to take it to the top.
Why not?
Because, the base of it and we mix it.
Oh, we'll mix it afterwards.
I want to mix it right now.
Oh, but we can't mix it right now.
Why?
Well, because it's just a bunch of big Cadbury eggs in there. It doesn't really mix well. But here, I'll show you. It'll be really fun. You ready? You trust me? All right, cool.
I'm taking you sip.
You take a little sip? All right, when it's all boiled down, you can take a little sip. All right, cool. Let's take it inside. So we put it on the stove. We have our 6 Cadbury eggs right in there, mixed in with our milk and our cream. Ray's right here, keeping an eye on things. So now we turn the heat on, and we're gonna wait for these to melt just a little bit, and then we're gonna stir them. That sounds good to you, Ray?
Where?
We're gonna stir them in here.
We stir with what you were stirring with.
Oh, we're gonna stir with the whisk.
Whisk?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, so take the lid off. I already see it starting to melt just a little bit. So we're gonna wait just a little bit longer, and then we can use our whisk.
Mix it up.
That's right. So you can see that chocolate base is getting all into the cream. It's gonna melt down, so the entire base is just gonna be one Cadbury egg. Alright, so we've got a good mix going. Ray's excited. Wanna say cheese? The mix is all done. The Cadbury eggs have been completely melted down into it. You can see it's still steaming, pretty hot. Ray, what do we need to do next?
Cool it down.
Cool it down. We're going to take this. All right, watch out for 1 second.
Okay.
We're gonna pour this in, just like that. So now we've got our mix all in here. So what we'll do is we'll put the saran wrap over the top. We'll let it cool down for about 2 hours in the fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we come back and then we taste it.
That's right. So
We're back.
we're back. All right, so now it's been about 2 hours.
I'm gonna sit.
You wanna sit?
Yeah.
Okay, well, in a little bit. Nice and cold. All right.
I'm touching.
Oh, don't touch it yet. So now we gotta whisk it up again.
Okay, I know it's up.
You wanna whisk it up?
Yeah.
All right, where's the whisk?
Where's the wet?
Oh, we're just gonna mix up just a little bit more.
4.
Oh, just so it's all even.
It's yummy.
Yummy. All right, can Daddy try?
I know it's up.
Okay.
I need to take this up.
What do you think?
Some more.
All right. All right, let Daddy mix it up a little bit.
Where's all my sauce?
Oh. It's oranges. Remember we just had some oranges? Yeah, we made a little bit of a mess. So mix it up a little bit.
I'm taking this up, Daddy. Please.
Take this.
I'm friend.
Oh, you can help me. Okay. Here. So now we're gonna take this, pour it in,
I'm going to get it.
and drink it. Ray's going to drink that, of course. All right, we made even more mess on this beautiful white shirt. Cool, cool. So now we have that in there, and we also need to add in our last ingredient, which is the sugar.
I'm friend.
You want to hold that?
No, I don't hold it.
No, that's okay. You can hold that. And we're gonna do a half a cup of some sugar. All right. Now, we'll pour that in.
More please?
No, that's all we need, because that's a half a cup.
No, I need to put it on.
All right. And Ray's gonna put that down and turn it on. And we'll mix it for a couple minutes, and then we'll put it in the cold bowl. All right, we got a good mix going. All right, Ray, you want to turn that off? Oh, wrong way. So,
I'm trying.
you get a spoon?
You get this one. I get this one. The big one. I go. One taste. I don't get it.
All right. Ray, what do you think? All right. That's probably pretty good.
Oh, one more sip.
Oh, that's okay. You can have some in a little bit. All right, so now what we're gonna do,
We're going to get.
no, we're not gonna drink it. We're going to pour it into the cold bowl.
I'm going
Okay. So we'll
to.
put,
This.
yeah, just like that. And then we'll put the top on. There you go. You want to turn that on? All right. We'll let that go for about 25 minutes. Rae finishes the rest. So the ice cream is looking nice and thick. I think it's ready. Rae's already turned it off. You want to take the spoon and try it?
Oh yeah. Take this spoon in my turn first.
Okay. All right. Now, Rae, what do you think?
Yum.
Yum?
I'll do a big spoon.
All right, I'll do the big spoon. All right, so now we'll take this out of here.
One more bite.
Oh, I think we're good on the bites.
Okay.
But so what we're gonna do now is take this and put it into our container, so we can put it in the freezer. All right, you ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Cool. We're back, and we've got our ice cream right here. It's in the cold bowl.
Where's my spoon?
Oh, little spoon. You can use the big spoon right now.
Okay.
All right, now we just need to take our Cadbury egg ice cream. It's all nice and thick right here. You pour it into our container. So we'll put it just like that. Rae, you want to help me? Thank you. Let's see if we can try not to break it this time. Oh, watch your hand. Missed a little bit, but that's okay.
I need it. I need it.
You need that one? Okay.
This one.
There we go. Well, I think we're all done. So we have all of our ice cream right in here.
I need some of this.
Some of that? Okay.
I need some of this.
Some of that? That's huge. So we're all done. So we're gonna go put this into the freezer. Here, you wanna keep the shirt down? All right, so we're gonna put it in the freezer. It's clearly nap time, and we're just gonna have a lot of fun with it. So happy Easter, everybody. We hope that you are having a great Good Friday. We hope you're having a happy Easter. We're gonna finish this up real quick. Rae, should we tell our friends to subscribe to our channel?
Yeah.
No? All right, cool. Well, don't subscribe to our channel according to Rae. According to me, definitely do it. That would be a huge help to us. And I think we're all done. So, Rae, anything you want to say to our friends?
Bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good night, everybody. No! You're silly. No, you're silly.
Now your turn.
My turn. I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
that'd be silly. No.